What's up, guys? I'm so sorry I forgot to film my intro, but if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. I'm drinking my apple cider vinegar. NARS concealer, creamy concealer. I'm just tapping this in just to really blend it in quickly. I can't find my eyeshadow base, so I'm just using this. I'm going in with this Morphe palette. It's huge. And it's the 35F. I'll be using these colors right in here. I'm going in with, I'm kind of doing like a little bit of a cut crease look. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe M514. So it looks like this, and it's just a little bit more narrow. So it'll help me get into the crease. I'm just keeping it right above my actual lid. And then I'm going to do the cut crease. I'm going in with a little bit more of that warmer shade. I'm trying to really keep it as high as I can and not really go too much into this lid area. And I just make really weird faces always while trying to do this. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M506. It's just even a little bit smaller so I could get in a little bit tighter. And then I'm just using a MAC brush just to blend that out. So nice. I'm giving the dog something to look at because I have a little bird feeder and I have so many birds. They literally come to my window about like 20 times a day and they just fly over, and sometimes they get scared of the dogs and sometimes they're so hungry that they're just like, I don't care if you stare at me and bark at me like I'm eating. But then sometimes I guess they get scared because the window's see-through. Nico is just sitting on the couch right now with the bird feeder right in front of him, watching the little birds come over. It's so cute. Probably makes their day so exciting, you know? Go back in with this MAC brush and just blend it. I really wish I had my eyeshadow base. I usually use the Urban Decay. This brush is really cool. It's by Sigma, and it's actually called a cut crease, and it's an E62. And I'm going to use a little bit of my Shape Tape concealer because I feel like it's a little bit more dry. The NARS one is a little too creamy, so I feel like it's going to crease. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand. And then I like this brush because it's like such a good shape, so it's going to really help me do that little like cut crease shape. And then one of the tricks that I love, I use all the time, is after I put the concealer here, kind of like messily, I look all the way up, and then it's gonna make a line. See how it made an actual line of telling me where I should actually draw the line, so that it won't create a line later and get messed up. So I think that's looking pretty good. If I do say so myself, That was loud. People think they're so cool driving on this block like 100 miles an hour. What if you kill a dog or kill someone? Like, are you gonna feel cool then? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that on the other eye. So yeah, I did the lines, and when I look up like that, then I feel like it helps you to get kind of it more even on both eyes, and then later on during the day, you don't have to worry about it messing up. So now I'm gonna take this little tiny brush, and it's the Morphe M515. And just follow that line that I had, just to make it even more crisp. And I'm going to take the same crease brush, and I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of Mist and Fix from Make It Forever, the KYLIE Bible palette, this gold shade right here. I always make weird faces, I can't help it. And if I don't make the weird faces, my makeup will not even come out as good. And then just keep building it up and blending it out. And if you guys want to see a like contour and highlight video, I have a highlighting contouring video, and I also have an eyeliner tutorial. So see them by going to my playlist, or I'll link it right above. So this is the MAC Carbon, and I'm using the brush that I cut up on my own just to go into that line. And make the cut crease just a little bit more exaggerated. Then, because I want to be a little extra tonight, I'm gonna be using this Stila. These are amazing, the Magnificent Metals. I like the easiest way to put on glitter. They don't get messy, they don't get messed up, they stay all night, they don't move. So easy to apply. It doesn't get like all under my eye, all over my face. It's amazing. I like to skip the area where I'm gonna be doing my liner, so I leave a little space there. So I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes eyeliner. To use this Gimme Brow by Benefit. And it's in the shade number 5. I really love this for just keeping my eyebrow hairs in place. It gives them a little bit of a dark tint. And I just skipped through my brows, but I used Precisely my brow pencil in shade number 5 to do my eyebrows because I have a ton of those tutorials. Then I'm really loving this liquid eyeliner. It's called Showing, and it's by The Balm Cosmetics. Now I'm going to take some Mist and Fix from Makeup Forever. I'm just going to spray it on my Tarte makeup brush. I love this brush. This highlight has been life. Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. This is definitely one of my favorite. Ooh, girl, look at that glow. This is definitely one of my favorite highlighters so far of the month. There's something about it that's natural. It's just very very satiny and very creamy. I'm also going to put a little bit of this down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to put it on a little skinny MAC brush. If your friend tells you that you have on too much highlighter, that girl is not your friend. So I'm just going to be using the MAC Soar lip liner. And then I'm gonna use, I feel like everything else is so crazy on my face right now, so I'm just gonna use the Tartiste lip paint in the color Namaste. And then I'm gonna use the Anastasia lip color in Milkshake. This is one of my favorite lip shades of all time. So I just felt like my eyeliner wasn't black enough or intense enough, so I just went in with the Stila Casual. So this is the completed look. I actually have to hurry because I have a train to catch, but I just finished up with some Too Faced mascara and some lashes, Lily lashes in Miami. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and if you want to come hang out with us at the rooftop and meet up with me and my friend Ingrid, there's a lot of fun stuff in the vlog and some beauty secrets and some really cool inside looks to the beauty industry and what goes on. So come follow us and hang out. I'll see you in the next vlog.